Joey is a 4-year-old boy who presents to the emergency room with a nosebleed that will not stop. The ear doctor begins to ask Joey's parent about the incident and how he hit his nose. The doctor comments how unusual it is for a child to have a nosebleed like this. The doctor begins to ask Joey's parents about their family history. The mother comments that they are really unsure of Joey's family history because he was adopted. Joey's biological mother gave him up right after he was born. The ER doctor decides to run some routine laboratory tests. Which of the following results are concerning in your opinion? The WBC count of 7,000, hematocrit of 36%, the hemoglobin of 9.2 grams per deciliter, the APTT was 60 seconds, and the PT was 14 seconds. Obviously, the APTT was abnormally prolonged. The physician refers Joey to a hematologist for further testing for a possible bleeding disorder. Now, being a hematologist, how will you further investigate Joey? What is the most probable diagnosis? And what are the treatment options you will recommend for Joey? To know the answers to these questions, let's study hemophilia in detail on sqadia.com.